Hello guys, today we are back at it again, and this will not be a gaming video as usual. This time we are downloading Among Us for free with all the skins, all the hats and all the costumes. So let's start. So first of all you have to go to this website Steam Unlocked, and I will give the link to this website in the description. So as you can see, we have to download it, and you can see the system requirements. You have to get 1 GB RAM, and DirectX should be version 10. 250 MB should be there in your laptop or PC. So we will click download, and first few times there can be an ad, and then eventually it will show you. So now you have to scroll down, and here is the file. You have to click download. You will be directed to upload heaven, and you have to wait for 3 seconds. You have to download, and the download will start. As you can see, here is the download, and we will wait for the download. And guys, if you want the latest, for me this is the latest version now, but when a new version comes out, you have to go to steamunlocked.cc, and you have to download the latest version again, and you have to download Steam for this to actually work. You can just go to the Steam's official website and download it. It's free. It will not take very much space. You just have to download Steam. So when the new version comes out, you have to delete this Among Us, the version that you currently have, and you have to delete all the files, and you have to go to steamunlocked.cc, and you can download it again. It's very easy. It will roughly take like 5 minutes, so we can wait for some time. So guys, the download is done. You can see. Now you have to go to Windows Explorer, the Windows, this PC. You have to go to this PC, and you have to go to downloads, and you can see here is a zip file. You have to right click. You have to extract files, or you can type, and the if it will show you a password, the password is Steam Unlocked. As you can see, Steam Unlocked is the password. You have to click OK. The files are extracting, and you don't have to worry for a virus. I have basically tried it out for like a month, and most of you can see in my videos also. So the files are here. You have to click on the file that is extracted. You have to go to Among Us, and as you can see, here is Among Us. So, and if the game doesn't open, you have to download Steam first. You have to log in, or you can sign up from a new account. You need Steam for this to actually work, and Steam will not take much space. It's just basically you don't have to download a mod for Steam. You just have to go to the official website. You can download it, and you have to sign up. And if the game crashes, then you have to go to Redist, and you have to download all these applications, all 5 of these. Then as you can see, we will open Among Us. Among Us is opening, so it is loading. As you can see, Among Us is here, and basically you will get all the skins and costumes and hats for free. You don't have to purchase them. It is loading. So on the first time it will take like 5 seconds for it. We'll just turn down the music, and you can go to local. You can go anywhere. We and if this comes, you have to allow access. It will do nothing. It's just so some features can work. As you can see, we will just change our username. It's the username from last time I played, and as you can see, we can join a game. All skins are here from the and if you have a username from the last version, it will and you have wear the costume. So when you will download the new version, it will be there, and as you can see, all pets are here, all skins. Okay, so the game started. Okay, I am the imposter. We can play a quick match to show you it works. So we'll just fake a task. He will sabotage electrical. Where are you? Okay, scanning. The lights are turned off. If anyone comes, I will kill him. Okay, we can win. We can win. 3, 2, 1. Oh yes, we won. So you can see the game actually works, and I will just show you quickly that there are all the skins. You can see all the hats are there. Personally, my favorite one is this, and all the skins are here: pilot skin, police, gentleman, white suit gentleman, salesman, and all the pets are here. This is the mini crewmate, the dog, the UFO, Wall-E. This looks like Wall-E, and a spider, alien, and you can basically see, and everything is here: skins, pets, hats, colors are obviously here, and you can move just fine. This actually works for PC only. So if you want this mod for mobile, you can tell me, and I will make a video about it, and you can get all the skins for free there also. And this actually works. I just showed you, this is proof. So you can go forward and download. The link to the website will be in my description. So thank you guys. This is all for the video, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So let's end it.